Have you ever understood every English word? But when it was your turn to speak, nothing came out. Why does this happen? Why can some people speak confidently while others stay silent? The answer may surprise you. And today I'm going to share 5 simple secrets that can help you improve your English speaking skills. Okay? Namaste everyone. Welcome back to my voice life skills. Many people believe if I learn more grammar, I will speak English fluently. But grammar alone is not enough. Speaking is a skill, and skills improve through practice. The good news: you do not need perfect English to start speaking. You only need the courage to begin. Secret 1: speak every day. Many learners study English every day, but they don't speak. Speaking is like riding a bicycle. You learn by doing. Speak for 5 minutes daily, even if you speak to yourself. Secret 2: think in English. Instead of translating everything from your mother tongue, start with simple thoughts. I am hungry. I am going to school. Today is a beautiful day. Small thoughts become fluent speech. Secret 3: read aloud. Reading silently helps understanding. Reading aloud helps speaking. Read one page daily. Focus on pronunciation and confidence. Secret 4: listen and copy. Listen to English conversations, stories, educational videos. Then repeat what you hear. This improves pronunciation and speaking rhythm. Secret 5: don't fear mistakes. This is the biggest secret. Many people don't speak because they fear mistakes. Remember, mistakes are proof that you are learning. Every fluent speaker made mistakes in the beginning, right? The biggest difference between people who speak English and those who don't is not talent. It is practice. Small daily efforts create big results. Before you leave, answer this question. Which habit will you start today? Speaking daily, thinking in English, reading aloud, listening and repeating. Keep your answer in mind. It could be the first step toward better English. Write your answer in the comments. What is your biggest challenge? Number 1, confidence. Number 2, vocabulary. Number 3, pronunciation. Number 4, speaking practice. I would love to hear from you. Remember, speak daily, practice daily, believe in yourself. Your English does not improve overnight, but every sentence you speak takes you one step closer to confidence. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep speaking. If this video helped you, please like, share, comment, subscribe to my voice life skills. For more spoken English, communication skills, life skills, motivation, and real education videos. Okay? So bye bye. Namaste. Take care. Thank you.